Alright you guys, hello and welcome back to another video of me working on my Miata. Today I'm going to be changing the motor mounts because as you guys have probably heard, they are like absolutely cooked. It's a pretty straightforward job. I've done a lot of motor mounts myself in the past, so yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so my mic died, but yeah, I'm going to just start getting the car jacked up. I'll show you guys this time since I didn't show you guys last time. So to my luck, my half-inch impact stopped working. I don't know why, but I'm gonna just continue. So I just got this half-inch driver. I'm just take off the wheels. Okay, I'm switching over to the smaller camera. Wish I could give you guys a better idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the nut that I'm trying to get to. It's a 15. Looks pretty rusted, but it doesn't look like it's stuck on there. So I'm gonna try with my half-inch and then see how it works. It actually came off surprisingly easy. At this point, you'd probably want to put wood on your jack and then place it under your motor so that you could hold it in place as you're removing the thing that holds up your motor, you know? Hold up. So right now I just have some pressure on the motor with the jack while I'm gonna go around the other side and do the same thing. So now I have these bolts to remove right here. 1, 2, and then 3. They do have different lengths, so you just want to make sure that you kind of organize them a little bit, at least. So I believe they're 14s. Ouch. I just hurt my hand on my brake. Alright, let me try to not do the same on this side. Okay, I think I broke it loose, but I might have broke my hand in the process. Okay, so yeah, it's loose. The third one is up here. It's part of the starter bracket. Oh, this is hard. I just heard a big old bee fly by my head. Okay, it's on there. Something's about to break, bro. Ow, yeah, look, I hurt myself. It hurts. This is on there, bro. Okay, let me try with my half-inch. Bro, this is like on there. I hope I just got it, bro. I think it's spinning the right way. Yeah. I got it. Okay, on to the other side. One more. These are the ones that you gotta make sure that you organize them because they are different lengths. Okay, sick. It came off. Geronimo. If I could get away with gently prying it away, that should be good, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is just a reminder of how the new ones look like. And then, yeah, this is my driver's side. That is where the bushing is supposed to be. And then this is the other half of it. And then this is my driver's side, which is like caked in oil. Pretty sure that's oil. So this difference is going to be pretty insane. Also, since this is the only new part that I have to reuse these old plates. So I have to take off this one 14 that's right there, take this part off and then put the new one in there and then tighten that. So there's this little thing right here that lets you know what the direction the divot's supposed to go in. Okay, so now that both motor mounts are on their plates, I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting everything back together. So I have to leave these loose up here. When I lower the engine a little bit, it'll be easier for me to line up. so I'm having issues getting that 1 bolt in right there. And also, this part, the stud isn't aligned with the hole. I'm gonna lower the motor a little bit and then try to see if that helps. Yo, that was so dumb. I had to align the bolts and that took a lot longer than I thought. Yeah, I didn't really know what to try, but I used a screwdriver to like put inside the thread and the motor mount. I pushed it up so the other hole was aligned and I threaded it in. But yeah, Jesus Christ. Okay, now it's time for the moment of truth. Test drive time. I think I'm gonna feel the difference like right away as soon as I start the car. Let's see. Okay, that's a big difference. Okay, they're still rattling because my dashboard is like cracked. It's like shattered, but yeah, that's a big difference. Okay, just this little like driving in my neighborhood, there's a big difference already. Okay, that vibrating that you hear is my exhaust. Oh my god, yeah, the transmission feels a lot more solid too, like when I shift. Okay, low key, like while I'm driving, I can't really tell a huge difference. I think all the bushings are shot in this car because it's still like a little like vibrating. So I can still feel the difference that a motor mount like change would make. That's fire. I love it. I'm gonna do some like swirlies to see if I could feel a bigger difference. Steering feels a little tighter actually. The steering itself feels like tight. Like the power steering while I'm driving, it felt a little loose. But while I'm like, I just completely ignore the fact that there's a cop right there too, and I just avoided him. That's funny. I don't know, it feels more stiff. But yeah, I'm so happy with the results. I needed to do this, and now that I did do it, it took some struggling, but I finally got it out the way, and I just like the feeling of driving a different car, because this is definitely a big difference. Well, that concludes this video. Oh my god, I don't know how to do outros. Okay, it made a difference, you know. I think since changing my motor mounts, my exhaust got moved a little bit to like towards my frame, so now it like rattles against my frame a little more, so that's kind of annoying. That gives me something else to do on the car, you feel me? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed me being a mechanic and working on my car. So I'll see y'all for the next project, because trust me, there's a lot to do to that car. So adios guys.